Hey guys, welcome to the channel Marzu Digital Learning and welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis in Manipuri. Ngasi tawdori se November date 28 and December gi date 1 gi punna tawrasi. November date 28 gi se nahan wat hobani ado ngasi punna tawrasi. Ahan ba newspaper gi topic sidi Haryana job quota impossible to implement. Haryana की job quota से हंदक government ना Haryana government ना 75% job quota से मुझे Haryana की people सिंग द पी बने बस 75% job quota से every company सिंग द 75% से Haryana की locality residency होए गया बनी है ना दो हाने यंग सी करम बा law नो है बदो अदुकी मतुंग द हज़ी की currency होए नहीं यंग से बा अदुकी मतुंग द Haryana State Employment of Local Candidate Act 2020 JS Paper 2 Government Policies and Intervention Issue Relating to Development JS Paper 3 Employment Growth and Development Human Resources Siga mari lainaba topic ni Recently the Haryana government has said that the Employment of Local Candidate Act 2020 will be implemented in its state from 15 January 2022 Haryana State Employment of Local Candidate Act 2020 khani mamang da Haryana government na haiba Haryana gi Employment of Local Candidate Act 2020 sibu January gi tang 35 2022 dagi chatna ba hauragani haina implement tawrani haina about the law to reserve 75% of all job offering salary of less than 30,000 a month for eligible candidate of state domicile Law sida hai rise kaino law 75% job seat se piba Canada Haryana gi resident sing da job adu salary di sagi pi riba 75% seat se sigi job do salary di 30,000 dagi makha oi bataba Job will be provided in various companies, societies, trusts, and limited liability partnership firms situated in the state. Job sina state ta makal ki company laibasing se sida pi gadaba magi partnership, liability partnership, trust, limited liability si mayam sida pi gadaba. The move is aimed at disallowing the influx of talent from other parts of the countries, even in the source sector like IT and IT's enabled service, which the state does not have enough capacity supply of. Masiki law asina sector asibu sagi alu sector sing do haibadi IT and IT's enabled service company da su 75% reservation se thammeba masina mapandagi talented oiba mayam ama thabak sing se sai 75% do local people di sudaba yadabani na mahut silakadabani na ai bang sai talented leba sing do thabak tegi fire taw kiba tok kiba resign taw kiba mayam ama lakane ba masina state ki oina thabak ki supply wala kaneba talented oiba do wala kaneba state ki oina The law will be applicable for the period of 10 years. Law se chahi tara apply tau ganeba masi law moin piri se chahi tara khak 75% se pi uhai baneba mokhi kanogi damakta residency gi damakta The state government also relaxed the residency domicile requirement from 15 to 5 years for the person to get bona fide resident certificate in the state to provide some flexibility to the private companies in hiring. The state government has also relaxed the residencies. Sagi atopa mapandi changak par kano sing se Haryana gi nataba sing se makoi na sida thabak tawgi haragadi 15 to 20 years se ke dawi residency certificate se lobo matam da changaneba private company da thabak tawgi haragadi It will be mandatory for all employers to register all their employee drawing gross monthly salary or wage not more than 30,000 on the designation portal available in the official website of Labour Department Haryana. Masigi mandatory sina 75% gi reservation gi worker se magi salary se 30,000 dagi hen baya deba magi mandatory se violation of any provision of this act will be punishable. Any provision of act masigi act sida law sida any provision kano company aman hekta electa bataragadi ko ek asibu violate taw bataragadi ngakna chatta bataragadi punish tawganeba concern haragadi can trigger exodus of investor. It could trigger an exodus of large domestic and multinational investors across sectors such as auto, IT, that rely on highly skilled manpower. After existing industries. Investor mayam sing se company sing dagi invest tawba to khibe yaiba sagi can trigger exodus of investor hairgadi multinational investors sing di aikoi IT sector automobile sector sing di invest taweba siguma sector sidi highly skilled oiba darkar taiba mi sing se magi worker sing do but lo sigi matung inadi lakadawriba mi sing do highly skilled worker oigadra oiroigadra se sigi jingnaba ma poeba magi percentage se ngasagi piri ba 75% to full oina ba hapselak pakanda sagi chingna ba ma leireba maram sina investor singna invest tawba matamda sagi tawrakta ba su yaiba makhatana affecting existing industry, rising the sun of the soil issue and preventing free movement of manpower resources in the state from other regions can have an adverse effect on existing industries in state. This may force those tech giants and other industry to shift their base from Haryana to other states and drain out the state's state monetary resources to that extent. Labour industry singsu effect tawrakaneba habadi law sigi matung inna kamain tawni lairiba industry se effect tawrakpa yai maram de 75% se laudaba yade haina skill oiba worker mayam ama thokineba fire tawkhibe yai resign tawkhibe yai ba maram sina Haryana da laiba company sing do company sing di kai dore IT sector guma company sidi skill worker si darkar tarakpanina atopa state ta oina moi company si bul tawge harakaneba aduna Haryana gi kaino se state monetary resources se chatkine ba atopa state mayam amada can cause extreme talent crunch oiba mayam ama thokine ba talent crunch oineba. Moreover, imposing the reservation on gig the platform companies could create a crippling talent crunch. After against the constitution masigi exe masigi law se constitution gi against the sulaiba the Constitution of India guarantee freedom of movement and consequently employment within India through several provisions. Ekhoi India gi constitution na ekhoi the freedom of movement bi any mafam da chatlaga work tawba yaba gi ayaba piyaba. Article 14 provide for equality before law irrespective of birthplace. Article 14 ekhoi da provide tawi law gi mamang da ekhoi khuding mul chap manai ekhoi gi pokpagi mafam yengdana. Article 15 guards against discrimination based on place of birth. Article 15 na su guard tawe ekhoi da pokpagi mafam yengdana discrimination tawbadagi ekhoi bu guard taweba. Article 16 guarantee no birthplace based discrimination in public employment. Public employment da birthplace ki waina discrimination leiroi ana Article 16 na su guarantee piyeba. Article 19 na su ensure that citizen can move freely throughout the territory of India. Article 19 na su ensure that we madu ekhoi na citizens sing na India gi territory manung da freely move tawba yai hena gyan tarni ko Haryana gi 75% law se. Next topic amuk tarasi. Next topic sina 1000 held in 20 countries in financial crime crackdown. Countries 20 dagi mi 1000 mu financial crime da chenabadagi phareba. In operation coordinated by the Interpol enforcement agencies in more than 20 countries have arrested over 1,000 individuals and intercepted about $27 million of the illicit fund as part of the crackdown on the cyber-enabled financial crime. Country mayam gi policing se pullaga Interpol hairasu yare ko makhoina operation ama chathaiba operation gi mingse kai kawi HG2 hana su kaweba operation sida mari operation se thamari conduct tawi operation sida phagali se scam tauba investment fraud tauba money laundering tauba illegal online gambling mari lainaba simayam se phagaleba sida phagali sida $27 million gi illicit fund se phangeba ko illegal fund se $27 million gi phangeba sikhaktani sida hari se yam important oi bayaude. Next topic among taurasi. Mumbai to quarantine South African flyers. Sisu chapmane ko saigi du yamne important oi badinate important oi ba do Omicron sina koi hengalak pase sina Omicron sigi high risk country mayam sigi lak pasing se ko India da saigi chapmana na hana कोविड हौरक्पा मतमदा क्वारंटाइन तौबा सी मयाम से अमुक दुगी प्रिकॉशन मयाम दो मुक तौगनी हाइबनेबा साउथ अफ्रीका दे लाकबा सिंगसिबु साउथ अफ्रीका दनी दना अयाम्बा अखोगी ओमिक्रॉन से डिटेक्ट तौरिसे अदुना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक अमुक तौरसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिना 1 in 2 deliveries in private hospital through C-section प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल सिंग डिलीवरी तौबगी से डिलीवरी तौबसे सी सेक्शन अयाम्बन ओइरएबा हौजिक मतमसिदा सिगी रिपोर्ट से कनान हाइबनो नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्वे डाटा से सिगी मतुंग इन लाकनेबा मंगा सुब नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्वे डाटा से तौगरेदना को खरनी ममांगदा अदुगी डाटा दुदा यारपनेबा 1 in 2 women who go to the private hospital undergoes a C-section हाइदी cesarean section हाइबा according to the latest national family health survey data nupi ani private hospital changma matamda amadi soidena cesarean section se taweba magi sigi report se NFIS na haibaneba NFIS sigi report matungina 40.9% agina 47.4% se henkal eba magi hanagi report ka hantaki report ka yengnaba matamda and World Health Organization gi matungina magi hengalakpagi rate se world gi oina 10% agina 15% henkal eba and hospital there are many state and union territory where private hospital conduct 7 or 8 out of 10 deliveries through C-section private hospital da ikhogi delivery se mi tara angang delivery to bo matamda nipan amadi soidina C-section taweba sida C-section tawriba ayama mafam se karam mano haragadi include West Bengal 82.7% se West Bengal da C-section ne Jammu and Kashmir ki na 82.1% Tamil Nadu 81.5% Andaman and Nicobar da na 79.2% and Assam da na 70.6% oiba sisina kai dawra ikhogi C-section se pangsinta season na bai tare ikhogi fashion gi dumaina zatkhra C-section season na base ko and amarom da haragana Bihar da magi C-section tawbagi percentage se only 3.5% ne sidana bu kai dore C-section gi facility se leitaba aikogi critical care gi facility se leitaba maternal or infant death se masing heleba sidana sigi maramna C-section tawrisi kai gino haragadi maternal deaths kumba poor fetal outcome sigumba se prevent tawna baneba ado khara madi kai dawre C-section se aikogi fashion gi type dawre and khara mana C-section gi facility leiteba article sida loire ado next article amuk tawrasi next article sina leprosy free Odisha now see a worrying rise in cases Odisha se leprosy free haina lauthokra bani ko kha ikui hai 2006-7 asai sida adubu leprosy free lauthokra ga su leprosy se sum Odisha da masing phaniam henkale hai bani leprosy se kaino magi kamain tawraga ma se transmit tawbano karino yengasi ko karama bacteria na thokan bano no leprosy JS paper 2 health government policies and intervention JS paper 2 gi health and government policies and intervention siga mari leine leprosy is known as a Hansen disease ma se leprosy se Hansen disease haina su khangnai ba leprosy is a chronic progressive bacterial infection amani it is caused by the bacterium called Mycobacterium leprae which is an acid fast growth se bacillus mabu tokan ba bacteria duna Mycobacterium leprae kaweba road ki shape ta sumaina tauba bacteria ne ba leprosy is one of the oldest diseases in recorded history afflicting humanity since time immemorial a written account of leprosy date as far back as 600 BC history gi record ta khwaidagi ariba anaba singi marakta leprosy so amane ba 600 BC the record tawraga leira 600 BC dagi record tawraga leira ba anaba amane ba It was well recognized in the oldest civilization of China, Egypt and India. Thousands of years ago, genetic evidences support the existence of leprosy infection in 100,000 years all remain. Chahi lising mamang the oldest civilization of China, Egypt, India na recognize tawraga laiba anaba maneba. Area of infection sina skin, peripheral nerves, upper respiratory tract, lining of the nose si mayam se magi infection gi area ni. Symptom lakpa kanda sida infection tawrakaneba. Mode of transmission magi transmission gi mosina mainly by breathing airborne droplets from the affecting individual. It can be connected at any as leprosy na ba mana sorhonba gi droplets to atopa amada changkiba taragadi leprosy na ganeba na changkirba mi dusu chahi angang orasu yai ahan orasu yai chapma nei wasida magi transmission tawbagi chahi leiteba. Symptoms in a red patches on the skin the red patches lakpa ngangchalakpa tha raga red orakpado, skin lesions, numbness in arm, hand, legs, ulcer on the sole of feet, muscle weakness and excessive weight loss. Simayam se orakaneva magi symptoms in it is usually take about 3 to 5 years for symptom to appear after coming into contact with leprosy causing bacteria. The long incubation period make it difficult to for doctors to determine when and where the person got infected. Leprosy symptoms se thorakpa matam da chahi ahum dagina manga phaw matam se changeba magi ngasai bacteria duga connect tawkhraba matungda sumaina sangna matam changbasina doctor singna su kai dore sai karam kanda infect tawgibano mi se test taw matam da naribra na dibra singalingai matam da phaba ngamdeba. If not treated on time, leprosy can lead to significant disability, disfigurement, permanent nerves damage in arms and legs, and even loss of sensation in the body. Matam chana layeng haudaba taragadi leprosy sina aikhoigi body sigi figure se sohelakaneba, paralyzed sohelakani, nerve damage oirakani, and body se sense manghanganeba, aikhoigi body sense mayam se manghalakaneba. Cure sina kaino leprosy is curable with the combination of drug known as multi-drug therapy. Multi-drug therapy ne tawraga mase cure to bayaba. Concern on government claim on elimination of leprosy. Government ne concern kari no. As for official data, 1,35,485 new cases, leprosy new cases were detected during 2016-17. That is, one leprosy case was diagnosed every 4 minutes. Official data gi matung ina kai dore 1,35,485 new cases se 2016-17 da detect taweba. That is, minute mari khudingi mi amanai duga chapma naiba. World Health Organization Global Leprosy Strategy. World Health Organization gi strategy kai no. The key intervention is provided. The World Health Organization leprosy strategy include detecting cases early before visible disabilities occur with a special focus on children as a way to reduce disabilities and reduce transmission. Ngalingai detect tawba ngasai gi mi gi paralyzed tawdringai da detect tawnam hotnaba focus the children da hana piyaba transmission and disability se reduce tawnabagi damakta. Targeting detection among higher risk group through campaign in highly endemic areas communities. Leprosy case yam laimo mafam da campaign tawba magi transmission tawdanaba self precaution tawnaba takpiba. And improving healthcare coverage and access for marginalized population. Marginalized population gi mi kuding magta health support piba. Leprosy endemic countries need to include other specific strategy intervention like leprosy endemic countries sing se leprosy in anaba countries sing sina strategy khara changeba. Screening all close contact of person affected by leprosy, promoting a shorter and uniform treatment regime, incorporating specific intervention against stigmatization and discrimination. Leprosy naba midugi nakna bahar di family friend relative mayam se screen tawba toina uniform treatment tawba toina treatment se tawthokpa di magi infection se laibra laitabra haina anaba singbu discrimination tawba dagi tawdana bagi specific strategy lokhatpa singje changeba. India gi oina kai initiative no haragadi Government of India started the National Leprosy Control Program in 1955. It was only in 1970s that a definite cure was identified in the form of multi-drug therapy. Ngasagi multi-drug therapy se cure to bayaba. Sigi cures in 1970s puthok paneba. But sigi mamang de India gi government National Leprosy Control Program 1955 ta puthok reba started haugareba. Government initiative se. In 2017, the Sparse Leprosy Awareness Campaign was launched to promote awareness and address the issue of stigma and discrimination. 2017 dana Sparse Leprosy launch taweba awareness campaign ama launch tawi leprosy patient sing se sida hanthani yangba discrimination dagi ngak thokna bagi damakta gyan tarni ko. Next topic sina India South Africa discuss plan for TRIPS waiver push. Sigi se important body oi adu su ai ngasi explain yam sangna tawrege sida hai se India and South Africa na hai se World Trade Organization na port kharagi intellectual property rights se lawthok u haibane ba intellectual property right haibade aikoina India no oiro ai isamang no oiro port ama saba matamda port se ai khaktana aina saraga pot se ihan hana puthokpani intellectual right property right se ingonda piba aina intellectual property right se lawba intellectual property right se eni lawki bataraga di pot se atupa mina saba yaroiba chamana na sumaina for example America na hoji vaccine sare ba vaccine se mayam ama impact oiba aphaba vaccine oiraga di akhoi gi India su atopa country mayam su saraga pulapna khoi gi epidemics dai pandemics dagi kanna bohona ga dabane ba adu do kai dawre America da saba vaccine se American intellectual property laurane ba aduna atopa country ne saba yaro aduna vaccine award pagi mayam kano se awaba se hengalakane ba en vaccine mayam se America dagi leiba tagane ba any price se America na high price to ne ba ikoina leido se tangera hongera ko dimani ama ani aduga supply na ma khakto oirakane ba sina aikoi gi India South Africa sumaina developing countries mayam sida yamna wahalleba singi maramna aduna India ga South Africa sina discuss tawe madudi koi TRIPS waiver se World Trade Organization na lawthok piu haina intellectual property rights se lawthok piu haina kharni kaino tawraga thambiu hold tawraga thambiu dumaina matang sida ngasi date 28 ki newspaper loire hojik date 1 December gi newspaper amuk tawrasi December 1, 2021 Wednesday numit ki newspaper tawrasi ahan ba topic se Mulla Periyar water let out without warning Mulla Periyar dam ge water do 142 feet se sidagi hena Mulla Periyar dam se magi water level se hengale ba aduna sise Tamil Nadu na tawhan bani haina Kerala na kana protest tawreba maramdi masigi Mulla Periyar dam sigi operation se Kerala da leijaba taraga su Tamil Nadu na operate tawbane maram sina Tamil Nadu bu Kerala na saigi kaimta hairam dana masigi dam se sibu water level se increase tawi sidagi ising thado aga Kerala gi downstream da leiriba mayam sibu awaba oihali haina Mulla Periyar se sum tawraga ta leiba topic ni ko aduna ngasi gi toktho ase ngasi newspaper ani su tawbani na sangani next topic amuk tawrasi nongma explain tawrage se. Next topic sina Omicron impact full school move put on hold by the Haryana government. Haryana da hanadi school se kaba horame ba khar school se hangdoga kaba khot pa horame adubu Omicron sigi impact se Omicron se yam thuna sandokpa concern oiba variant amane ba aduna kharni gi oina Haryana government school se hold tora thamme ba sida yam important oiba yaude ko Omicron se variant of concern ni variant of interest variant of concern sigi kitang the important variant of concern haragana kugi hena spread tawbanga ma hena sathiba variant sing tuneba and variant of interest haragana kitang sathiba watpa kitang spread tawbagi chang se kitang watpa adu singduna variant of interest kaweba. Next topic amung yangasi. Next topic sina India's informal economic has not shrunk. India gi informal economic se kai dore has not shrunk. Koi economic ta formal sector amana informal sector lai ko ai koi India da sector se informal sector ne hena yame ba informal sector kai no formal sector na kai no yenga si hana formal and informal economy GS paper 3 employment government policies and intervention inclusive growth management of social sector services growth and development si topic mayam siga mari lainai informal and formal sector se formal economy haragadi kaino it has a formal contract with the employer ga magi owner ga formal contract tawraga suba thabak singdo formal kaino kaweba economic kaweba has a predefined work condition and job responsibilities work condition predefined tawgani sisu ga damani aina specific thabak amgi changa agadi sigi work define se predefined fazana tawgani work se sisu ga dabani aina job responsibilities laiganeba get an assured and decent fixed salary with perks and incentive fixed salary laigani with perks and incentive laigani has a fixed duration of work time फिक्स ड्यूरेशन लेगने स्पेसिफिक टाइम पुंग मापनदगी पुंग मरी फाउबा सुमाइना फिक्स ड्यूरेशन लेगने इज ए पार्ट ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ग्रुप ऑफ people working in the same environment and is legally and socially aware about its right. Part of organized group people mayam ama thabak sumi nagani environment cha mana bada and sise magi thabak sing se legally socially aware oiganeba is covered by social security for health and life risks. Health ki security, life ki security pi formal sector da informal economy sina kaino has no formal contract with his employer ga magi owner ga formal contract lai nareba sum chin si su and hire su ga has no systematic work condition systematic lai teba daily wage worker gumba magi example hire gana nong mana ma sugani sumaina get irregular and unevenly paid tawroi has no forum to express his grievance and has no fixed hour work later has not covered by any kind of social security system and has poor knowledge about the need to protect himself socially and economically kind of social security am talai poor knowledge about the need to protect himself socially and economically magi facility later protect taunabagi the importance of informal sector. India vast informal sector which employs approximately 80% of the workforce and generate roughly half of the country's GDP. India ki sector se economic sector se 80% se kanan hoibano informal sector na hoiba. Workforce and generate roughly half of the country's GDP. Half of the GDP se moina contribute to hoiba country ki. Next, the informal sector employs 384 million people, half of whom in agriculture work in agriculture and live mostly in rural India, and other half work in agricultural industries. Informal sector gi approximately employees say 384 million adumaina neba half sina karai dalai agriculture sueba rural India dalai and other half amana non agriculture, for example industry, factory, construction labor si mayam sida sueba non agriculture sector da. About half of them reside in rural India the half amalai and half amana cities dalaiba migrant worker haibado. The impact of pandemic on employees in the informal sector ki employees in the impact lai worker in the formal sector suffer much more than other official sector peers during the nationwide shutdown in 2020 ki shutdown in the informal sector na hena yamna khwaidagi atopa sector dagi atopa workers sing sidagi informal sector ki workers sing sina hena khwaidagi awaba nangeba. Such interruption might also lead to inflation. Sina inflation du mayam lead tawi maramdi thabak mayam ama tokthokna re manufacturer tawba wale companies mayam ama worker mayam ama thabak toklak padagi aduna inflation se hengaleba. Throughout the pandemic strike in year of 2020, India has one of the few countries with significant inflation ki country mayam manungda inflation thokpa country mayam gi manungda pandemic ne strike tawba country marakta ekhoi India so amaneba. The epidemic has had the greatest impact on the informal non-agricultural sector, which account for 40% of the population. 40% of the population se informal sector so ani thoyeba non-agriculture amana agriculture sing di lockdown oiba taraga so agriculture da khara suiba magi thabak se wateba but non-agriculture sector sing sidi migrant workers sing sidi ke dawre city dagi yum da halakpa aduna makhogi 40% of the population se greatest impact oiba handaki epidemic sina. The employees are the most susceptible since they have suffered a burn of pandemic economic upheaval. Employees sing se ke daura koi gi susceptible condition mayam ama makoina pandemic matamda suffer taweba. Several studies conduct during this period reveal an increase in the urban employment and unemployment and self-employment, with the latter experiencing the greatest loss in wages. Several studies mayamama conduct or matamda equigi sina kari reveal taurai urban the unemployment masing se henkalai and self-employment se sisu henkaleba. And what later experience the greatest loss in the wages the equigi daily worker wage worker mayam the loss oireba. Sig mayam ji thabak se mayam to eba. Recent initiative taken by government kai initiative locally si mayam sigi aikogi migrant worker amasung awaba tariba urban gi rural gi awaba tariba mayam se kannabagi damakta Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, labor codes, E-Shram portal, Udyam portal, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan, labor reform, one nation one ration card, Manrega si mayam se government na sigi thabak sing se paikhaleba. Way forward, looking after migrant workforce. According to the Institute of Human Development report, the total number of vulnerable migrant workers ranges from 100 million to 140 million. It is therefore important for the draft rules to clearly state how their applicability will unfold with respect to the migrant informal workforce. Koigi migrant workforce mayam si yengaga Human Development report sigi index si yengaga migrant workers singse sigi damakta draft rule ama sempiba kamaina tawraga sigumba epidemic se thorakpa matamda hauzik chenari hauzik wari ba mayam je sidagi kannaba mathangda tawraktana ba sigumba problem se simple regulatory framework ama semba. Simple regulatory framework se dai khoi formal sector se informal sector se formal sector da onbiba kamaina si onbiba taragadi agi owner duga ngasagi employee worker mayam siga fasna agreement nomgi makha da thabak suba hauji aikuna epidemic ta pandemic ta wari ba migrant mayam sing thabak leitadana cheli ba mayam sai koi government na sigi initiative oma lokholaga mathang thorakpa matamda mathangi sigumba pandemic thorakpa matamda sigi problem mayam stagi kannabagi damakta gyan tarni ko matang sida aigi ngasi newspaper loisanjarage aigi newspaper sina aigi article sing sida mayam da kit knowledge kitang hengal halabadi aigi video sibu support to bo oina like subscribe and share to view. Thank you.